warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I will present to you about taxations. Before we start, do you know taxation is? I think you should have known about taxation is. The primary functions of taxation is, of course, to raise revenue, to finance government expenditure, but taxes can also have other purposes. Indirect excise duties, for example, can be designed to dissuade people from smoking, drinking alcohol, and so on. Governments can also encourage capital investment by permitting various methods of accelerated depreciation accounting that allow companies to deduct more of the cost of investments from their profits, can consequently reduce their tax bill. There is always a lot of debate as to the fairness of tax systems. Business profit, for example, are generally taxed twice. Companies pay tax on their profit, corporation tax in Britain, income tax in the USA, and shareholders pay income tax on dividends. Income tax in most countries are progressive and are one of the ways in which government can distribute wealth. The problem with progressive tax is that the marginal rate, the tax people pay on any additional income, is always high, which is generally a disincentive to both working and investing. On the other hand, most sales tax are slightly regressive because poorer people need to spend a larger proportion of their income on consumption than the rich. The higher of tax rates, the more people are tempted to cheat, but there is a substantial black or underground economy nearly everywhere. In Italy, for example, self-employed people whose income is more difficult to control than that of company employees account for more than half of national incomes. Lots of people also have undeclared part-time evening jobs. Some people call this moonlighting, with small and medium-sized family firms, on which no one pays any tax or national insurance. In 1986, the director of the Italian National Institute of Statistics calculated the size of the underground economy and add 16% to Italy's gross national product (GNP) figure, and then claimed that Italy had overtaken Britain to become the world's fifth largest economy. To reduce income tax liability, some employers give highly paid employees lots of perks or benefit instead of taxable money, such as company cars, free health insurance, and subsidized lunches. Legal ways of avoiding tax, such as this, are known as loopholes in tax law. Life insurance policies, pension plans, and other investments by which individuals can postpone the payment of tax are known as tax shelters. The donation to charities that can be subtracted from the income of which tax is calculated are described as tax deductible. Companies have a variety of ways of avoiding tax on profits. They can bring forward capital expenditure on new factories, machines, and so on, so that at the end of the years all the profits have been used up. This is known as making a tax loss. Multinational companies often set up their head office in countries such as Liechtenstein, Monaco, the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, where tax are low. Such countries are known as tax havens. Criminal organizations, meanwhile, then pass money through a series of companies in very complicated transactions in order to disguise its origin from tax inspectors and the police. This is known as laundering money or money laundering. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you will get benefit for this. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.